today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to make.com in just a few simple steps. Whether you're automating your appointments or streamlining your workflow, this integration will save you a lot of time and make your scheduling processes much more efficient. To get started, the first step is to log into your Calendly account. This step is crucial because you'll need access to your existing Calendly settings and events. So if you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, the next move is to head over to make.com. If you don't have an account there yet, take a moment to create one and then log in. It's a straightforward process, and you'll find that make.com is a powerful tool that can really augment how you manage your appointments and automate various tasks. Once inside your make.com account, look for the option that says Create a Scenario. This is where the magic happens, as you'll start building the connection between Calendly and make.com right here. Now that you've opened the scenario editor, the next action is to click the Add button. A search bar will appear, and that's where you'll type in Calendly. From the search results, make sure to select the verified version of Calendly. This ensures you're connecting to the official API, which is essential for a smooth and secure integration. You definitely want to avoid any potential issues by using unofficial versions. After selecting Calendly, it's time to choose the event you'd like to automate. This is a significant part of the process because it determines what actions will trigger your scenario. A new window will pop up for this, and this is where you'll set up your webhook. Go ahead and click on Create a Webhook, then proceed to Create a Connection. This is where the actual interfacing happens between the two platforms. You'll soon be prompted to connect your Calendly account. Just follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate. It's fast and simple, and before you know it, you'll be all set. Once authenticated, enter the required details for your integration. Take a moment to make sure everything is correct. Next up, choose the type of notifications you'd like, such as whether you want alerts when an invitee is created, canceled, or both. You'll also need to enter your organization and user URI. This allows make.com to access the correct Calendly data to execute the tasks as intended. Once you've reviewed everything and it looks good, go ahead and hit Save to lock in your settings. And just like that, you've successfully connected Calendly to make.com. With this automation setup, you can streamline appointments, send notifications, and significantly boost productivity without any manual work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.